Hi guys, and welcome back to another Redstone Boys video. And today we're unboxing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I've just been down to game. I've traded my absolutely terrible Wii in for Black Ops 2, and it was, I think it was about 40 quid, 44, I don't know. And I don't know if it's standard, but I get Newtown 2025. But sorry if like people are watching like know loads about Call of Duty, but I don't. So I've got this with it, which I don't know what the hell it is. It's some sort of code that you gotta go on the Call of Duty website. This lets me have got this code there. Focus. And yeah, I think that's just to like that's like a little like avatar thing that you can like let your avatar fly around. So yeah, we're gonna be unboxing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Right, so I'm gonna put, where am I gonna put my camera? I'll just get my, oh, if you're wondering like my gaming setup, this is my tiny desk with my headset, my Triton headset, and terrible mouse and stuff. But if I had enough money with if I had enough money with the money I sold from my Wii, I was gonna get a new mouse, but I'll just stick that on the chair and then right. Alright guys, right, this is Black Ops 2 and we're gonna get into it. Right. Got this should be good enough. I don't want to slip and cut myself. Perfect. Right. Black Ops 2, I didn't get it from Amazon or anything like that because I didn't want to get scammed. I'm a bit paranoid because once my dad tried to buy I think it was an iPod Touch, maybe it'd be a different iPod, but he never got it, so off Amazon. So I've seen other people get scammed with Halo 4 as well, so just being careful. Right, so there it is, Call of Duty Black Ops, and I think we're going to go play a bit of it, because I have Call of Duty Modern Warfare 1, just Modern Warfare, now, but I decided that was just like to get me into Call of Duty, hopefully, and I got Halo 3. I was thinking about it getting Halo 4, but just Call of Duty. I'm more of a Call of Duty person, to be honest. Better at Call of Duty. Apparently, Black Ops 2 is meant to be more of like a Modern Warfare 2, and I was quite good at Modern Warfare 2, so well, I wasn't bad. I'm terrible at Modern Warfare 3. Absolutely terrible. I used to get like 3 kills a game. It's absolutely terrible. I feel embarrassed saying that on Modern Warfare 3, and now I just got yesterday 47 kills. I think it was 10 deaths and 5 assists. So that was on Call of Duty 4. I also got World at War, but I never played that. But then, of course, there's zombies on this as well, so I don't know if you can still see me online. I'll have to go with that. But yeah, so I'm just going to boot up my Xbox, and yeah, so sorry about the camera going down. Got my TV, this is my bedroom. Gonna get the Xbox game out. I have a I have a modded controller. Well, I don't. It's not modded. It's just custom. But yeah, that's it. Got loads of fingerprints all over it. So oh, damn! I just got to go and plug it in. It's extremely unprofessional. And the big knife on the floor. That I just went into the cupboard and biggest knife I could find. So because you need a big knife to open a big game. Plug socket's weird. Right. This TV is weird. I have to turn the TV on, wait a few seconds, and then turn my Xbox on. Otherwise, it's just like it goes a bit weird. Put shooting on the floor. That's the disc. It's cool, isn't it? I'd like to do a video with Get My Grizz on or Tricks, because he's just got it as well, and he really likes it. So boot my Xbox up. I haven't got a capture card yet, but I believe you can record without a capture card on this Black Ops 2 Double XP weekend. Signed in just reading stuff randomly on my Xbox. Got Halo 3. Halo 3, that's the special edition one. Got it for £5 from Game. So yeah. Come on, open. You have the giraffe. Why won't it open? If my Xbox has crashed, I apologise. No, it hasn't. That's worked. Right, put Halo 3 there. Halo 3 isn't as important. Right. Close tray. We're just gonna boot it up. That's all I'm gonna do. Because this camera isn't brilliant, and I've only got a small SD card in it, so it's not. Hasn't got a lot of memory. Just watch it now, boot up, and it won't work. God, I haven't got any room in the bedroom. Update. God, sorry, the camera's going everywhere and it might be a bit loud. I'm just trying to move my office chair into position. There it is. This camera is like, the quality of it is terrible, so you probably can't read the writing. It's just the update, you know, like the normal update you get on Xbox Live for games. Yeah, stuff it. I can't skip this. I don't like that. Like games where you can't skip stuff. You can skip that. Dead man on the floor. Don't want to watch that massive trailer thingy. Press start. Oh, goggles. What is this? What's this? Okay, these configure your system. I want it on easily visible. Accept. Music volume. Cinematic volume. Try out mix. Accept. I don't really know. Movie as display. I'm gonna call this unboxing and setup because right, which one is just vertical? Oh, there we are. There. That'll do. Would you like to enable graphic content? What does that mean? Yeah. Oh, yes. Alright, we got multiplayer. I'm not doing a do campaign. The only campaigns I like is the Halo ones. And my friend, I think it was last night or the night before, nearly completed Halo 3 campaign. Don't appreciate that, Declan. But if you're watching, I don't think you have a YouTube account, do you? Get one. Message of the day. Roger that. Welcome to multiplayer. Phase 3 exceeding. Oh, I can't be bothered to read this. Call of Duty Elite. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Too much money. Public match. Okay. So, fine match. Combat training. I don't really know what. Base, game modes and maps. TDM, yeah. Alright. I've only got 4 minutes of video left on this. Oh, loads of people want level 38. When did the game come out? I'm not sure. So yeah guys, that's it. Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Thanks for watching. Just did a little setup and stuff like that. Okay, so get the game. I think it's awesome. And yeah, so thanks for watching.